What is good, y'all? It's your boy Splash. So today is a beautiful day out here in Germany, and I decided to go ahead and just do this review outside because just got this package in and wanted to show you guys immediately. So let's go.
It's your boy Splash, Cannonball, I'm drippy.
All right, so as you can see, Nike box. Yeah, this is actually my first hit on the sneakers app in years, man. Literally years. Like the last time I hit, I've never hit on Sneakers Draw, so this is a first. And then the last time I hit on sneakers actually for a hype shoe, or I guess semi-hype shoe, would be the Flu Games. So it's been some years. But as you can see, Jordan box. And actually this is the first shoe I got that's in this actual that's in this Jordan box. So normally my wife's shoes, with her having such smaller feet than me, all her Jordans normally come in this box right here. But see the size in there. Yeah, man, that's nice out here right now. We've had some rainy weather lately, so I decided, you know, let's go outside. Got regular 23 paper, and ooh, these things clean. All right, so as you can see, and I'm sure you can probably see from the thumbnail, we got the Jordan 1 Low Spades, man. And to be honest with y'all, to be 100% honest with y'all, these are my first Jordan 1 Lows. I'm not a big fan of the Jordan 1 Lows. To be honest with you, normally the materials aren't that good. The colorways aren't super dope to me anyway. And I mean, let's be real, like the highs are what everybody goes for. The highs are what look the best out of everything. Whew. Got a little gust of wind, but all right. Hopefully y'all can hear me good. But so I went for the lows because, for one, it's like, as you can see, it's about to be summertime. We've had a lot of rain, had a lot of bad weather. The country is opening up, and I wanted some low top shoes, man, just because it's probably about to be hot out here now. Right off rip, these are fire, man. Like, honestly, the only reason I wanted to go after these is because they look like a custom. They look like a custom shoe. You can see it looks just like the deck of cards, man. What's on the back of the cards there? That was it, like that paisley print on there. Look at that, man. These look, I wouldn't be surprised if a customizer actually did these first, and then Jordan Brand, Nike, whoever, just kind of like, oh, that's a dope idea, and then went with it. Like, nothing crazy on the inside, but these are just clean, man. Now the leather quality is nothing crazy on here. It's your regular basic leather that you would get on a mid or a low, but it's this imprint on here, man. That's just so clean. And then the other thing is, it's like in a 49ers colorway. Now granted, I'm a Raiders fan, but the wife, she's a huge 49ers fan, and I'm not that loyal to as far as football teams go. Lakers is only Lakers, that's it. But baseball, football, I can bounce between teams as long as they in Cali, right? But yeah, these are super hard, man. I like the white laces. They don't come with any other laces. Let's just double check. They don't come with any other laces, but I'm gonna have to hit up my boy Rep Milwaukee 414, because you know what? I think some gold laces would be fire in these. I know a while back he was selling gold laces for the those all gold sixes. I believe they're all gold sixes. I forgot the name of them. But yeah, so some all gold laces will go hard because there is a sheen and a glitter kind of shine aspect to these to the Nike swoosh. So, but yeah, overall, man, these are super dope. I'm really happy I got these because they're just different. They're different. I don't know how limited they were. Granted, if it's on sneakers, it sells out. But at the same time, I'm not in the States, so I can't tell you whether at Foot Locker or at Champs or Foot Action if they're sitting or not. So you guys tell me, are these sitting? Are these ducks? You know what I'm saying? Are they? Are people even feeling these? Are you feeling these? I thought they were dope just because, look, you got the king side over here, left foot, then you got the queen symbol right there. Like, you don't see a Jordan like this every single day. Normally, if this would have came out and it just would have been a red, white, and gold Jordan, wouldn't even have went for it. Wouldn't even have tried, especially with it being a low at that. But the fact that they took time in these details, and you know what? I'll give you guys some B-roll at the end of the video just to really go in, because I'm not sure how well it's picking up on camera. This is my first video outside, but the details on this are amazing, like amazing. Only gripe, not really a complaint, is just better leather quality. You know what I'm saying? Like if we had some nice tumble leather on the toe box, this would be like a 10 out of 10. Probably, yeah, this would beat out some of my Jordan 1 highs, to be real with you. And if this would have came out as a high, you know what the resale would be crazy on these. But no, these are a keep. These are my personal pair. Got them in size 14. Y'all know I rock that for Jordan 1s. And yeah, this is just an extremely clean shoe, man. I am super hyped to be the owner of these, man. Yes, like look. I mean, once again, man, just look at the tongue right there. That's hard. That's hard. And on top of that, I mean, I didn't even add this. I play spades. So like the fact that I was able to get my hands on a pair of these, and I am a spades player. Anybody who knows me through the military mainly knows that you know what I'm saying, I play spades. Me and the wife actually. Like these are dope. These are a must cop for me. Another thing I'm noticing, so you have, I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but this is a pure white, just like on an Air Force One low. You know, it's the clean, super shiny, super vibrant white, right? But on the midsole here, you actually have, it's an off-white. So I don't know if it's picking up that difference in there, but that's super hard to me as well. And yeah, I'm happy I picked these up. These are definitely going to be a summer rock. You know, I mean, I busted out the, this is my first time wearing this, the Crenshaw, you know what I'm saying? The Marathon Continues, RIP Nipsey Hussle tee, you know? And yeah, this is going to be, I can't wait to put a fit together with this. Definitely, you know, some no-show socks, some shorts, probably some Nike shorts or something, and a tee like this, and you got yourself a fit, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, these are hard. These are super hard. If you weren't able to cop and you're on the fence, I don't know what the prices are looking like on Gold or StockX right now, but if you can get them for close to the retail, I say cop. I say cop. If you're not going to be bothered by the leather quality, then cop them, because the detailing in and of itself is enough to buy this shoe. So with that being said, I'll give you guys some B-roll at the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll hit y'all on the next one. Deuces.